This is a video to correct task 13, page 69, sorry. So I have the two function, fx is equal to 2x squared minus 8x plus 10, and it's defined for the values of x between 0 and 2. The second one is that gx is equal to x, and it's defined for the values of x between 0 and 10. The first question, express fx in the form a times between brackets x plus b squared plus c. So I will take this expression here, 2x squared minus 8x plus 10. And then I will focus on the first part, only put 2 as a factor. So x squared minus 4x plus 10. And then I will use the square formula to change this one. So 2 times x minus 4x divided by 2x is equal to 2. So b is equal to 2 here. 2 squared minus 2 squared plus 10. Now I will expand the bracket, so 2 times x minus 2 squared. 2 times 4 is 8 plus 10. So it will be 2 times x minus 2 squared plus 2. So this is one way to do things. Another way to do things is take the expression and expand it and use the identification. I will do that. So I have a times x plus b squared plus c is equal to a times x squared plus 2bx plus b squared plus c, ax squared plus 2abx plus ab squared plus c, and you need to identify this to 2x squared minus 8x plus 10. So this will give you that a is equal to 2 by identification. A is equal to 2ab is equal to negative 8, and ab squared plus c is equal to 10. So a is equal to 2, b is equal to negative 8 divided by 4 is equal to negative 2. And c is equal to 10 minus 2, which is a, times b squared. B squared is equal to negative 2 squared, which is 4 times 4. So 10 is equal, c is equal to 10 minus 8, which is equal to 2. So normally we got the same answer as before. A is equal to 2, b is equal to negative 2, and c is equal to 2. And this is exactly what we got here. A and b and c are a and c are equal, and b is equal to negative 2. So this is another way to do that. Right, so the second question, they ask you to state the range of f. So I got that fx is equal to 2 times x minus 2 plus 2. Yeah, I think this is the expression. Yeah. Now they ask you to get the range of f. I know that if I would like to draw f, it will be something like that. If this is the origin, I know that at the point, the vertex is on the point 2, 2. So the point 2, 2, this is 1, this is 2, 1, 2. So the vertex should be somewhere here. And it will be a U shape since it's positive. The coefficient in front of the x squared is positive, so it will be something like that. So the range, the minimum value will be equal to 2, and all the values above that are accepted. But we need to be very careful because my function f is only defined between 0 and 2. So only this part is the part that I'm interested in, right? So to get the range, I need the value, I need the image when x is equal to 0 and when x is equal to 2. That's it. So between these two values, I will get the range. So f0 is equal to what here? F0 is equal to, I can take it from the other expression or the first expression, where fx is equal to 2x squared minus 8x plus 10. So I know that f0 is equal to 10. And f2 is equal to 2, since this is the vertex. So the range of f will be all the values fx, and it will be all the values between 2 and 10, because those are the two values. So this is 10 and this is 2. The range is this part, the parts between 2 and 10. State the domain of f negative 1. Well, the domain of f negative 1 is the range of f. So it's like they are giving you 3 points here. So the domain of f negative 1 is equal to x between 2 and 10. Right, now they ask you to sketch on the same diagram the graph of y is equal to f x, y is equal to gx, y is equal to f negative 1 x. Make clear relationship between the graphs. Okay, I did a bad sketch here. Let's do it the correct way. So I have, this is the x-axis, let's put it like that, and I would like to have the y-axis as well. Right, and we said x is equal to 2. Yeah, we said x is equal to 2 is the symmetry line. So let's, this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, and then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And let me make the line longer. Right, so 8, 9, and 10. And I know that for the point 2, 2, this is the vertex, and I know that it goes to 10. So this is the graph of f. This is so bad. Right, let me draw again. This is the graph of it's even worse. This is the graph of f. Well, normally when you have the grid, a good grid, you will have a better graph than mine. So this is the graph of f. I need to draw G. So this is the graph of f. Let me put it like that. So this is f. Now I need to draw the graph of G. G is y is equal to x. So I would draw it in red. Okay, and it's straight line. So it goes from 0 and it passes through 1, 1. So let me draw it like that. Normally the point 2, 2 is on the graph as well. That my graph is so bad. Yeah, my graph is so bad. Normally the point is, yeah. And I need to draw between 0 and 10. So I need to be very careful how to draw that. Yeah, I think this is a perfect graph. It's between 0 and 10. Let me carry on with the graduation. So 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Well, normally this point should be, look at that, my graduation is so bad. Well, normally this point should be here, right? And this one should be here. Well, you got the idea, okay? You got the idea, because it's very hard to draw with the graphic tablet, okay? Right, so this is my graph. I need now to get the symmetry of this one. Normally this is 2, 2, 2 should be on the line here. So I need to get the symmetry of this one. So the symmetry, I will draw it with the green, okay? So it will go from this point and it will arrive here to 10. right? Because the symmetry of this point 0, 10 is 10, 0. So it will be something like that, right? Your graph should be better than mine because mine is so bound like that. So this is symmetry of my graph. Okay, now after that, they ask you to find the expression of fx. Now, let's get the expression of f negative 1. So I know that fx is equal to what? I will use that expression that I got. So 2 times x minus 2 squared plus 2. Let me verify. Yeah, it's that expression. And I would like to remind myself with the domain and the range. So if I will write it like that, y is equal to x minus 2 squared plus 2. I have x is between 0 and 2, and y, the range is between, I think 2 and 10. Yeah, 2 and 10. So if I will interchange the variables, I will have x is equal to 2 times y minus 2 squared plus 2. And in this case, I will have that x is between 2 and 10, and y is between 0 and 2. So I need to be very careful here with this idea. Okay, so I would like to put y as a subject. So I will send the 2 to the other side. So x minus 2 is equal to 2 times y minus 2 squared. Then y minus 2 squared is equal to x minus 2 divided by 2. Well, let's check. X is between 2 and 10. So x minus 2 is positive, divided by 2 is still positive. Now, let's check this one. Y minus 2. Is y minus 2 positive, right? Y minus 2 is not positive because here my y is between 0 and 2, right? So y is less than 2, then this one is negative. Y minus 2 is negative. So if I would like to write it like that, if I will take square root of both sides, either you write that 2 minus y directly, you change it. 2 minus y is equal to the square root of x minus 2 divided by 2. And you have the total right to do that, okay? Because this is the positive expression. So 2 minus y is a positive one, and it makes a lot of sense. Then I can write that y is equal to 2 minus square root of x minus 2 divided by 2, right? And that's it. So this is how you get it. Or you can say that I will keep writing it like that, y minus 2, but you need to take minus square root of x minus 2 divided by 2. Since this one is negative, so I need to be very careful. Writing something negative is equal to something negative. So this is what I need to write, and you will have the same result. It will be 2 minus square root of x minus 2 divided by 2. So it advises you always to write the domain of where x is, where y is, to be able to identify if you need to change a sign or to change an expression, right? Here I didn't have any problem because x is between 2 and 10. So x minus 2 is positive, right? It's more than 2 with x. So x minus 2 is positive, and this is a square, so it's positive as well, right? Till now I have no problem, but here it starts the problems. If I will take the square root of both sides, I need to be very careful that the result or the outcome of the square root should be something positive. So this is why you need to be very careful when doing the square root of anything. All right, well, this is it for this exercise. Thanks for watching, and let me know if you need more explanation about anything. Bye-bye.